In the periodic table, before explaining the periodic table, I want to show you the chart that shows the elements in a table that is called the periodic table. Here you can see there are more than 100 elements in this periodic table having different name with different numbers and different symbols. So now first of all I will explain you about the periodic table, then we will discuss this periodic table. Scientists like Mendeleev, who have classified elements into a chart that is called the periodic table, and elements in this periodic table are placed according to their properties. In this periodic table there are many elements that are more than 100, and each element that has a symbol of one or two letters, and next one has the atomic number, that is specific number of each element, that I will explain you with an example like oxygen. Oxygen is an element that has a symbol O, that has only one letter in its symbol, while it has atomic number of 8. Next one is element sodium, that has a symbol of Na. In the symbol there is always first letter is alphabet. First alphabet is capital while next one is small letter. So this is the symbol Na for the sodium, and that has a atomic number 11, that is different to the oxygen. So that shows that each element that has a symbol with the atomic number. And in the periodic table, each vertical column is called the group, and each group has similar chemical properties, while each horizontal row in the periodic table is called the period. And from left to right, as we move in the periodic table, the property of the elements change from metallic to the non-metallic. Now we will move to the periodic table and discuss it. So in this periodic table you can see that here first one element, that is a hydrogen, and it has a symbol H while its atomic number is 1. Next one is helium, that has a symbol of He and its atomic number is 2. Our third one element, that is lithium, it has a symbol Li and the atomic number is 3. And so next one are same to same, having the number 1, 2 until more than 100. As we can see, here is boron, that has atomic number of 5 and the symbol B. While you can see in this, here is aluminium, that has a symbol Al with the 2 letters and its atomic number is 13. Next I told you about the group and the period. So I told you that each vertical column is called a group. You can see here is a vertical column in the periodic table, and this is first one group. This is group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, group 5, and so on. So each group has similar chemical properties. Here you can see that hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium, that has same chemical properties. While as we move from left to right in the horizontal row, each horizontal row is called the period, and in the period, as we move from left to the right, we will see the gradual change in the properties from metallic to the non-metallic. So this is the detail of the periodic table. I hope you have understand it. Now you have to do the reading of this chapter till page number 10. 3. Okay, girls, Allah Hafiz.